Welcome back, boys and girls, to another writing lesson with me, Mr. Kelly. Today, we're going to be writing about snowballs. So, I'm going to jump in, I'm going to get started, and my opening sentence, I'm going to be asking my question: do you know about snowballs? So, I'm going to start writing that. Now, it's been a long, long time since it snowed around here, so I haven't thrown a snowball in a very, very, very long time, but I do know a few things about them. Some of my favorite things that you can do with the snowball, boys and girls, is you can make them and you can throw them at somebody, have a good time, have you a great, grand snowball fight. So that's what I'm going to be writing about today. Do you know about snowballs? Now, if you look, there's no space between that word, so that's all one word. That's called a compound word when two words come together to make a new word. Snow ball. I'm going to write the base word first. And since I'm talking about more than one, I'm going to add my S at the end so I'm talking about more than one. Do you know about snowballs? I'm going to add my question mark because I'm asking a question. All right. Well, the first thing I want to say is they are made of snow. So I'm going to jump in and get started again. Finger space after my punctuation from other sentence. And my new sentence always starts with a capital. They are, not the letter R, but the sight word R from kindergarten days. A-R-E. All right, next word is going to be made. All right, that's one of those words. It's not a sight word, and it's not on my winter words over here, so I'm going to sound it out. M-A-D. M. A. D. Made. Again, that is invented spelling. We're just writing down the sounds that we hear in that word. They are made of, another sight word, of, and then the word snow is on my winter words over here a few times actually, and it's also in the word snowball. So I'm going to put a finger space there after my of and throw in the word snow because my snowballs are in fact made of snow. Put my period there because I just told you something about snowballs. And then my next sentence is going to say, you can have a snowball fight, which I love to do. So I'm going to start this sentence with you, and you is only 3 letters long, so it should be able to fit in this small little space right here. Look at there, it does. Fits just right. You, drop down for can. Can is an old spelling word, and is a sight word. Same for the word have. It's an old spelling word from our kindergarten, our sight word, excuse me, from our kindergarten days. Have. A. Alright, so let's see if we can get the word snowball right there. So I'm going to look. I think I can. So we're going to give it a shot, boys and girls. We're going to give it a shot and we're going to see. I have to write it kind of small, but we're going to give it a shot because I don't want it to be all squished up right there or dropped down because we want the word, the whole word to be on that line together. You can have a snow ball. Ooh. Squeezing it in just right, but it's not too squished in there. It's not too squished, so we're all right. You can have a snowball. Right, word fight. That's another word I have to use some inventive spelling. So let me listen to the sounds I hear in fight. I, t, I, t. I hear 3 sounds in fight. The first sound I hear is F. The next sound I hear I. Last sound T. I, t. Fight. You can have a snowball fight. Put my period right there. The last thing I need is my closing sentence, which is the same as it is all year long. Now, about my last little finger space, snowballs. Now I'm still talking about more than one, so after I write this base word of snowball, I'm going to add my S to show that I'm talking about more than one. Snowballs. And then my period. So I can go back and read and make sure it makes sense. Do you know about snowballs? They are made of snow. You can have a snowball fight. Now you know about snowballs. So tomorrow, you're going to be writing on your own, using your winter words, and you're going to do the same thing on Friday. So okay, I'll see you guys again next Monday. Hope you guys had a great rest of your week. I'll see y'all next week. Bye.